a set G of R, that is subset of R, then F inverse exists and it is strictly increasing. और अब की बार स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग कहाँ होगा? इट्स डोमेन विल बी f of g. Statement clear? F is strictly increasing, then we have to show that F inverse must exist, and this F inverse will also be strictly increasing on this domain. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just like if you have a function which is strictly increasing on some domain, let us suppose this is our G, then inverse is also exist and that will be strictly increasing again. So let us show how it will be. So what we can say that since f is strictly increasing, it is given f is strictly increasing. इसको थोड़ा और कर। So one thing we can conclude from here, it is 1-to-1, that is bijective map, that will be or not?
Yes, sir.
स्ट्रिक्टली इंक्रीजिंग है, इसका मतलब कोई ऐसा पॉइंट नहीं है जिसके पास दैट इज इमेज, इसके सारे इमेज और प्री इमेज सब डिस्टिंक्ट होंगे, सब यूनिक होंगे. सो अगर सपोज करो करस्पॉन्डिंग टू वन पॉइंट एंड हियर यू हैव वन पॉइंट, हियर सिमिलरली यू हैव, so that reversal will also happen. From every point on this line you will get some point here like that. So this is sufficient to show that f inverse will exist. The second thing, we just show that this will also be in strictly increasing function. So strictly increasing, we already have the definition for strictly increasing function. Let us verify that thing. So to show f inverse is strictly increasing, let us suppose two distinct point y1 which is less than y2 in f of g, that is domain of f inverse. Okay. Again we can see here these points कहाँ पे हैं, ये f of g में है, तो इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग आपके पास में ये पॉइंट भी होंगे. कहाँ पे होंगे ये? Anyone can say something?
जी में.
G में होंगे. Very good. And G में पॉइंट को हम लोग x1 से डिनोट कर देंगे, that can be written like this. और इसको भी लेके चल सकते हैं, but for simplicity we can write this also. So what we can say that here, let x1 will be denoted by f inverse of y1 and x2 will be denoted as f inverse of y2. Let us suppose, since f is strictly increasing, we know that since f is strictly increasing, ये given information है. So we can apply the definition of strictly increasingness of the function f. So we have, therefore, we have only possibility that x1 is strictly greater than to x2 implies f of x1 will also be strictly increasing because f is strictly increasing. So possibility ये है कि f इसी को satisfy करेगा. तो भाई, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Now we can replace our settings where we already have defined here. So that means f inverse y1 is strictly greater than to the f inverse y2 implies what we can write here? This belong to f of g. ये पॉइंट कहाँ के हैं? f of g के पॉइंट है. ये f इनवर्स मैपिंग भी किसको सेटिस्फाई कर देगा?
Strictly increasing.
This means we have completed the proof. This means f inverse is strictly increasing. और इसका डोमेन जो होगा that is f of g. These are very simple results.